Hi there, everyone. It's your Jamaican girl, Norlene. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. So come on, people, join me in the kitchen where I'll take you on this my Jamaican cooking experience, where I do for you Jamaican, Caribbean, and international meals, Jamaican style. Alright, family and friends, welcome. Alright, guys, so it's gonna turn up in the kitchen today. So in a deep Dutch pot, I am adding 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. So guys, I have my onion and garlic here. I have some black pepper, garlic salt, and some all-purpose seasoning. I have some blended seasoning. Of course, we have the black peas, 250 grams. We have coconut milk and the Bulgar. So, pot heated. So that I'm gonna add the onion and the garlic. I'm just gonna saute them. Get my oil flavorful. If you are my new subscriber, welcome. You're indeed out for a treat. If you are my continued loyal, supportive subscriber, man, Wims love you. Remember, drop some like on my video. And of course, share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. To the pot, I will add the blended seasoning. Yes. Next, guys, I will add the peas and I'll let you see what's happening in the pot. People, the flavor turn up already. And next, I'm gonna add the coconut milk. All right, we're gonna come closer. See what I want. And I'm gonna add I will stir this all in, people. I will add about a cup and a half of water, cover it up and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or any other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen. Happy birthday to you. An extra special happy birthday greeting to my student Lucinda, who celebrated her birthday last week. And happy birthday to my friend Sonia and her son, who will be celebrating their birthday this week. Remember, I love you, girl. Bless up yourself and continue to support my channel. Now, people, after 15 minutes, it's time to jump right back in the pot. Yo, people, you see the little kind of custard or that curly that forms around the edge of the pot? Yeah, you want to mix that all back into the sauce so you can get it all flavorful. Now, you taste for salt, and guys, it's all good. I don't need to add any more. So it's time to just rinse my bulgur and add it to the pot. Now, for all of you who don't know bulgur, it is a grain. It is a substitute for rice. It has a lot of nutritional properties. So I would suggest that you try this. You're going to stir it all in, cover to cook for about 10 minutes on medium heat. So family and friends, after 10 minutes, the bulgur look nice. It's not quite ready as yet, so I will just stir this and then I'll cover it on low heat to finish steaming for 10 minutes. The food for thought comes to us today from Revelation 14, verse 7. Saying with a loud voice, fear God and give glory to him, for the hour of his judgment is come, and worship him that made heaven and earth and the sea and the fountains of waters. Indeed, God is our righteous judge. He is our creator. He is our sustainer. He is our provider. Remember, he was yesterday, he is today, and will forever be whatever we want him to be. All right, people, so final time in the pot. Cook to perfection. Yeah. Family and friends, it's time to put this baby down to bed. I'll plate it up for you guys so you will see how wonderful this looks and inviting it is to your palate. I am serving this, guys, with a snapper tail, some okra. I have corn on the cob, some tomato slices and onion rings, guys. And trust me, I know you can't wait to see when I dig in this. So guys, it's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen onto my daughter's table. Guys, I have to share this with you. Trust me. Gotta put me on some okra and some bulgur. Look at that. I sure hope you'd enjoy the time in the kitchen with me where I did for you today bulgur with black peas. Remember to follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. And of course, drop some likes, drop your comment, guys. And of course, remember, share my channel with your friends before you go. Love you all. Mwah. And see you all next week where Wim's Kitchen will have for you another authentic Jamaican meal.